Okay, let's go. In several steps before this one, I've introduced Tailwind. I started migrating MUI and Bootstrap to 100% Tailwind. Um, I wanted to get rid of most of the stuff that is in this bundle, specifically so I can reduce the size of the bundle and be almost 100% Tailwind. So that's what we're gonna do now. It's been a while, so I don't remember exactly what we had here. So let's take a look at this. I'm gonna open my folder and let me just remember the command as well. So the package JSON I had the script for stats, so it's npm run stats, and so we can see more or less what's taking the most space from our bundle. So I don't see why. Okay, nice. So dashboard, we don't care. Application JS is the bundle that's important for SEO and all of that stuff. And we want to keep this as small as possible. MUI is clearly taking the most of this bundle. Here it says 1.9 megabytes, which is not actually true in production because everything's minified. But anyways, the proportion should be more or less equivalent of this graph. So these are my components, I guess. Yeah, these are all my components. They're super lightweight. There's not much code written in there. MUI though has a lot of stuff. I could get rid of it. I think it would be better off. I've already started using Tailwind. And a while ago I've seen this um Flowbyte thing. No, not this, Flowbyte. And that really sounded like a time saver for me because there are all the components like ready to just copy and paste into your project. And what I'm missing, I guess, is so I'm gonna check the installation on Rails. Let me check. Yeah. So what I'm missing, I guess, was the JS part. I think I already added the package. So this is step here where we bundle add Tailwind CSS Rails. It's done because we have Tailwind. All of this done. Tailwind already works. So install Flowbyte. npm install Flowbyte. Not really would be yarn add Flowbyte for us as we're using yarn in a Rails project. And here in the package JSON, you'd probably see full Flowbyte here. So it's done. Then inside our Tailwind config file, we should add Flowbyte. That's done as well inside the plugins. Additionally to your content data Flowbyte or plugin class interact. I didn't do that. Yes, I did. Oh yeah, and I pasted the link. Yeah, good practice. So if someday I see this here, I can just open this link and understand why did I do that. Um, Run the following command to include Flowbyte's JavaScript inside the import map file. Well, we don't want to do that. Alternatively, you can also include the script separately using CDN. What you're talking about? We've just added it through npm, right? I don't get it. Um, anyways, think think we can actually just import Flowbyte in our application JS file. That should be it because it is in the project. So to add the JavaScript, uh, I should just add this there. Let me check, for instance, for alerts. Um, Alerts, the for alert. So I want something with an X here so I can see that it works because this is probably JS. Um, how can I check this? I'm gonna go open my alerts thing and instead of I'm just gonna add something for testing. So notice this is not gonna be noticed. It's just gonna be some text. Uh, Hello there, and let me refresh. Cool, and then I try to close it. Closes, but that's because I wrote some custom JS for this here. So on click, it does that. If I remove the code, it doesn't work. And then if I make Flowbyte JS um, import be imported into my project, that should work because this is the code that I copied from here. Okay, let's try this out. So application JS, first thing I'm just gonna take a look here if anything changes there. So I'm gonna import Flowbyte. Yeah, cool. Now it's rebuilt. Everything should be done. I come here, refresh, hello there is there, and I click, and it doesn't work. Nice. So what do you do when that happens? Google. So Flowbyte Rails JS. That's the page I was at, right? Tailwind CSS, new project, Tailwind CSS, blah blah. Yeah, we're really just missing the this page. Really? I'm gonna try that, but that would be really surprising to me that I need to do that. Um, well, let's just try. Application HTML slim, and I'm gonna save this, and then refresh, and then I click, and it doesn't work. Okay, cool. That comforts me. Let me maybe copy this code, like just one of them, into my alerts thing and convert this to Slim real quick. This should be, oh, come on. Yeah, that, and then the SVG, I think I can keep. This, 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 and SVG I can keep. Try, refresh. Oh yeah, it works. And if I remove this, refresh, and it doesn't work. Okay, cool, that's what we want. So this works. Now I'm gonna have to change my code here to something that's the equivalent of what is not here, here. What did we have? We have these classes here for the alert ID. So flags, PB, and mean, text, BG blue, run alert, whatever, row alert. Okay, then we have an SVG. Yeah, because there's an icon there, but we don't care. Spam, uh, we don't care. Then we have some text, and then that's the important part. I say we have a button type class, all that data dismiss target. That's probably what's gonna be important for us. Oh, look at this. You already had this. And the on click I'm gonna remove as well. This is alert. This is notice. Row. notice, I'm not sure. Data dismiss target for this one should be noticed. And then I refresh. Yeah, there's nothing to be reported, so I'm gonna connect, for instance, login. Okay. So this is inside our device, and then in device we use alerts, and it doesn't work because we don't have Tailwind, so I'm adding Tailwind. Now, I try this again, and now it is here, and this doesn't work, the JS part, because inside the dashboard JS file, we don't import Flowbyte, but now we do, and now it works. Okay, cool. Let's say login, Flavio at example.com, and this should work. Cool. And if I disconnect, okay, log out total sucesso, and boom, that's cool. So the JS for Flowbyte works. Um, what did we change here? I'm gonna remove this, this too. Okay, and these. Um, nice. So this is adding Flowbyte JS. Um, move myself to the right. It's less annoying. So here, add Flowbyte JS, whatever. I'm not gonna push to production yet. But that's a commit. Now I want to remove, for instance, the navbar. Navbar is still on MUI, and if I go to the website, you can see that the site loads first, and then this shows up. If we put the website in slow 3G, for instance, and I refresh, we're probably gonna see, yeah, you see the site loads first, and after a long while, the menu shows up, which sucks because that's a huge bundle that's being downloaded over 3G. And this website's mainly used in Brazil, so we don't want that. We want just everything coming from the backend, fully ready to be used, pure HTML. So let's get rid of it. All it does is what? A connect button. And whenever I'm connected, it does show me what? My face, which is it actually necessary? Maybe not, because mm, most of the time we're going to be using the dashboard, so maybe I can just write go to dashboard. Yeah, yeah, that's a good start. It's going to show connect, and if you're connected, it's going to show go to dashboard. So as simple as can be. So let's go to navbar here. There's probably something extremely simple we can reuse. This is perfect actually. The drop down would allow us to keep exactly the same behavior. Mm, no, but I'm gonna stay ultra simple, and this is what I'm gonna copy. And and so we're gonna open here. I'm gonna close all of this, and I'm gonna open the navbar. And this is used inside the layout application. So application layout is by default the first layout that you have in your Rails application. And here what we do is that we load the navbar. And the navbar is here. I had already saved something that I could reuse. Nice. I didn't even remember that. So this is a navbar that doesn't show up. Why? Refresh again? What? Oh, because this is a React component. So I'm not gonna use a React component. I'm gonna use a render components, and then navbar, and I'm gonna refresh. Okay, cool. Layouts dash. Oh, that's for the dashboard. So we don't currently have a navbar. Um, so let's check layouts shared, new file, and then I'm gonna add the navbar dot HMRB. Yeah, I'm not sure if I really want to use um, Slim for that. Yeah, so it's not going to be components navbar, it's going to be layout shared navbar. And then we have this, which is okay. Then we can, what can we do? We can keep one single link. I'm not gonna use the the home one because this is like the active thing. Uh, oh, but we do have a pricing page, so I might want to keep that. We don't have an about uh, home. Okay, let's get rid of about. Let's get rid of services and let's replace this with connect. And then home, I'm gonna rename it something that exists. Imóveis, todos os imóveis, so imóveis. Uh, okay, fuck. It's actually more like this, and then imóveis. It's gonna complicate me. No, I'm gonna remove everything. We're gonna stay as simple as possible, as we said before. And the connect button is gonna bring us to somewhere. I don't remember, but we're gonna check inside our navbar component, and it brings us to account sign in, which probably has a method. So we're gonna be able to use new account session here, href new account session path. Uh, does it work like that? Yes. Cool. That's what we want. Flowbyte, we're gonna rename with immobilier. Nice. And then the picture was immobilier logo. What happens inside there? Hmm. Okay. So if I add this here, huh? How about an SVG icons? Uh, Hero icons, cool, home. Yeah. House. Well, okay. Let's just try reusing this. Margin right 3, maybe 2, maybe 1, and I have flex item center. That's good. It doesn't look like it's aligned. Well, I'm gonna try to comment this and use the React component Immobilie logo. Yeah, it's better. It works. Then you connect. Okay. And then the connect button should, if you're connected, should show go to dashboard. Um, so my code should branch somewhere here. So, man, can we have a snippet for ERB? Like snippet, configure user snippets, HTML ERB, JSON? Why JSON? ERB. Yeah. And then we're gonna, what is that? It's Ruby code. Insert Ruby code, prefix equals. So when I type equal, it's gonna write this to me. Insert Ruby code. So if I do this, boom! Wow, magic. But that's not exactly what we want. We want to insert pure Ruby code. Pure Ruby code. I don't know how we're gonna recall. Um, and then this is just like that. Insert pure Ruby code, whatever. We only care about the shortcut. It's a minus now, and then it's gonna add this. Yeah, so here we can add an if current account, then you do something, which is not that. Um, and then I'm gonna use my shortcut again, and here I'm gonna use it again, and format documents. We can't. Oh, come on. Really? Format your B code. Yeah, okay. Uh, User settings JSON, associations, and here it says to make it seem that it's HTML. If I save, um, sucks, right? It's very ugly. Okay, I can format myself. And then this would be href go abrir ir para o dashboard. I don't know. Ir para o dashboard. And that would be something, I don't know, dashboard. Check dashboards. Oh, those routes shouldn't exist. Where's dashboard here? Huh? Oh, that's Blazor. So it's actually inside account, and I want them to go to leads. So account leads path. Yeah. So I can close this. Yeah, I can close this and refresh here. You put a dashboard. Nice. That works, huh? That's good. And so the navbar component's probably not used anymore. Beam like this, never used. So not here, and inside show, if show navbar, then render layouts shared navbar. And that's in the show property show. So go here, and there you go. Oh, it's not aligned. There's something wrong here. There, we're gonna place it inside a container. Why is that? Uh, it already has a container here. Uh, but this should be inside a container. Nav I put it here and this container is here. Why isn't the container routed? Mm-mm-mm. Oh man, I don't get it. Let me write something. Hey, hey. Okay, so this, what the fuck? This flags, wrap. Maybe there's something here. The thing is, do we care? Let me check just in the navbar. Maybe I should add a container around everything. Yeah, and then we're good except for here. Padding right 4. If you remove that, it's not this, it's this. Padding 4. So it's not aligned. And what do they do usually here? If we go to the first one, for instance, the last one has a padding X4, padding right 4. Everybody's the same. Well, you know what? Padding right 4 is not what I want here. Padding right 0. Ooh, doesn't seem to be that. Maybe padding 4. Oh, padding right 0. Cool, that's what I want. Nice. And then just rename this Sair. Should be desconectar. Nice. And I hate this question here. Confirm. Yeah, just remove this. And once you click this, it should bring you not to your page, it should bring you to the home app. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Um, just turn the light on here. Nice. What else? What else? What else? I'm gonna remove all this code. Uh, and so the nav bar should have been deleted. And it depends on other stuff. That's cool because it's gonna remove a lot of dependencies. A bar count avatar, then account avatar is used. Oh, I can delete that too. And then Immobilier logo we're still using, but that should be very small. What does it use? Text link. Hmm. Okay, let's remove navbar. So delete. And from the navbar, we said we could delete account avatar, probably. Yeah. So we're gonna delete this, which uses get initials from account helper. Account helper. Get niches and disconnect. So we can delete this. And I'm gonna open the stats again. And we're gonna see what's been removed from dependencies. Not everything, just a little bit probably. So this high chunk. And so here it's 205. And that's weird because here it was 194. Oh no, it's not weird because we added flow byte. So let's remove more MUI. But flow byte's super lightweight. That's cool. Good to know. How can we remove more of this? How? How? Hmm. Where else do we use that? In the navbar logo then? Immobilier logo. Um, if we could use remove that stack, remove the icon, and then, okay, I think we can do that here directly. So we're going to comment this, we're going to uncomment that, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, it looks bad, but we want it to look something like this. So let's change the text color already. Nice. Hover effect. No, that's not what we want. We want, oh, nice, okay. Huh. Huh. We want this to think through the root path. Cool. And this is actually good, but I mean, I need a logo. Do I have something here like logo or icon? About touch. Wow, this I need to change that. Um, Let me test something. Text blue. Huh, that's not bad. And what's the hover? Hover text blue. In my Tailwind, didn't I add a like link? Let's say link. Link should be text link. Let's say it's a text link. And so text link is gonna be a text blue, and the hover is gonna be a text blue, I don't know, 500. And this is gonna be text link. Apply. What's the issue here? Text link. And then we come over here and I didn't add text link. Okay. Well, that's good. Let's say hover underline as well. See what it looks like. Hover. Damn. Can even type underline. Yeah. No, that's not. Do they have links? Oh yeah, CSS links. Oh man, they already have a class. Font median, text blue, dark text blue, hover underline. So yeah, hover underline. It's a good idea. Font medium. Do I need that? Looks so cheap when you put the underline. That looks better. I'm gonna keep it like that. So we can remove Immobilier logo, I guess. It's also used in the footer. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna extract this inside a React component, and I'm gonna say it's inside components Immobilier logo. I'm gonna remove this, and the footer is gonna use that. Oh my god, footer. Can't use that right now. Footer is gonna be a long work. Whatever, I'm gonna delete this. No, I'm not gonna delete now. But I'm gonna create the components. Slim, router card slim, and then I'm gonna just create something next to it. New file, immobilier logo dot slim. Let's convert this to slim. So much better to write things in slim. Come on. Oh, it's a span. It's not. It's render. Okay, cool. Nice. So this works. And so the footer, let's go to Flowbyte again and look for footer. I think we need more than that. No, yeah, something like that. How does it look on mobile? Yeah, this is good. This, yeah, let's try this. So the footer, I'm gonna close everything. This works now, so we're gonna commit migrate navbar to Tailwind commit, and now we're gonna go to the layout application, and the footer is gonna disappear from here, and we're gonna use render components footer. And inside our components, I've been using layout shared, right? So layout shared footer, shared new file footer dot. Let's try to make it slim. Oh man, it's gonna be a lot of work to convert to slim. Unless HTML to slim. Voilà. Bam. Nice. Okay, cool. What's the problem here? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so let's see the page. And succeeded. Oh, why? What? Uh, okay. And let's put it all inside a container. Or maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I guess a container is cool. But I'm gonna put the container around this first part. Yes, so we can have. And for now, we're gonna remove the second part. We don't need that now. Or just immobilier. I'm gonna add a space after that, and I'm gonna add a space after this. Space, how do you do that? Space before. Fuck, I can't remember. I think that's, yeah, nice. So immobilier dot. Actually, do we care if there's a link? We don't care. It's good. And why do people write these at the bottom? I don't understand that. I think I'm just gonna remove all of that. Okay, remove all. And bim, that's good. And now it's the hard part. We want to reproduce more or less, or exactly actually what we had. Um, Let me see. We're gonna go to production. We're gonna put them side by side and compare. So in production, what we have is a column for construtoras. So this is gonna be construtoras. The other one's gonna be bairros. I'm gonna copy and paste bairros and apartments and about us. Okay, cool. Now refresh. That's already better. And the constructors part is gonna be something like constructors. Constructors.h to constructor. Constructor is actually developer, but well, bad translation. So constructor equal property dot all dot plug constructor dot unique. And then for each one, we're gonna write the constructor name. Let's see. Yeah, that works. And then we need to add the link. So the footer had the constructores part that would point towards this link. Uh, and what is item? It's a constructor, right? I guess. And it's not JavaScript, it's Ruby. Now I can refresh, and if you click this, boom, it works. Nice. Next, BIOS. Structures. Second one's neighborhoods. So property of, I'm gonna properties. So properties plug neighborhood dot unique. And so I guess it's gonna be more or less the same thing. But neighborhood probably. And instead of constructor, this is gonna be neighborhoods, neighborhood. Fresh and beam. So that's not exactly how it works. Neighborhoods. Okay, so back to ground zero here. Levallois. Beam. There's one. Nice. Okay, then we have apartments. These are okay. We want to add the count, but we're gonna do that later. As for the apartments, I'm gonna make it hand manually. So 2, and then 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And so the link should be this. Okay. Footer, maybe a border. Border top. Nice. Nice, that's better. And the about us part has nossos consultores, todos os imóveis, termos de uso, and immobilier premium. This brings you to pricing, I guess. No, it's premium. This brings you to terms. This brings you to immobilier. This brings you to consultores, which I guess is realtors path. This is terms path. And this is premium path. Realtors path? Why? Wow, really? It's consultores path? It sucks. Okay, but it works. It works and we can get rid of the footer. Oh, there's one thing. We want to order by alphabetically, right? So sort here and sort here. Pairs of string with new failed. Ah, dot compact. Okay, and then we want, oh fuck. We want the number. It would be nice to have the number of apartments inside if each one of them. I think we have this in production right now. Yeah, we do. So compact sort. I think let me try something. I'm gonna raise here. And so what I'm gonna do is properties dot plug dot group by, and I think there's something like this. Uh, count? No. Map count? Yeah, but there's better. I think there's tally. Tally. Cool. That's exactly what we want. But first, uh, but first, let me check for the neighborhood. Neighborhood. Is there anyone with two? No, because what does compact to? If you do 122 dot compact. Okay, so it doesn't remove new. Nice. That's exactly what we want. So we want to compact, and then we want to tally. So compact is going to remove new values, and then tally is going to count each one of them, and then we want to iterate over them, and then the key is going to be the neighborhood, and the value is going to be the count, and when we write it into the screen, we want to write it like that, I guess. Refresh. Oh, remove raise. Refresh. What? It's so cool. I can only do this? Oh no, I did it right. Yeah, that was right. Okay, perfect. Why there's an empty one? Um, one thing at a time. Here's the constructor, And here we need to add the count. And the new values are still there. So compact is not exactly what I thought. 1, 2, 3, 3 new dot compact. It is dot tally. That's exactly what I want. Oh, but maybe, huh? Uh, future reject empty. How about that? Oh fuck. Okay. Compact. No, it works. Ruby method to remove all empty elements from array. Hmm. Nice. That's exactly what I want. Cool. Let's just change the neighborhood. Let's. Oh, and it's not sorted anymore. So sort and sort. Cool. Let's make autumn acres. Bring it to 2. Save and get back. Cool. Now it's 2. Let's go. Really nice. It works. Mm-hmm. So now we can remove the footer, I guess, and that can be deleted. If we delete this, we're gonna see that. Delete this, bim. That means we can remove this from here. We can remove it here. But then we're gonna add that. And so Immobilier logo can be deleted as well. And this. Okay, this has been removed. And it was coming from here. Oh, I already had all that. Oh, it's even better now. Okay, now remove this. It still works. Oh, uh, dark. Does it still have dark? Yeah. Gotta remove all of the dark stuff. Okay, looks good. Now let's see, did it improve the stats? Probably not that much. We can keep going. hide this, and we're still at 205. Motherfucker. All of that. Why there's all of that? Where are they coming from? Um, gonna close this. I'm gonna close, and we're gonna look page by page because I think we might be able to remove this already. Not this, but the oh, because it's importing the components, and the components are inside JavaScript, and it's here alerts. So alerts is it being used somewhere? It is not. Should not be used here. Let me see if I can remove that too. Hmm. Because if we look at dashboard, we do show alerts here. So alerts from here inside the dashboard can be removed, and so here as well, which means we can delete this, which removes another dependency. Nice, it's another win. Migrate footer to Tailwind. Back to our stuff here. Banner. Banners being used. Yes. Oh. Okay, let's migrate the banner. That's easy too. To see what it looks like, I'm gonna remove the Cressy. How does a banner show? Banner, current account. Let's remove WhatsApp. You can't. Let's remove the beer. Well, I should show. Let's remove the. Damn. Let's remove the name. Nothing works. So I think it's not even working anymore. Um, but what it did was that let's then render layouts shared banner, and that's inside application, and then let's add this into the dashboard as well. The dashboard was trying to use the hashtag, the ID. So I'm gonna remove banner from here and remove banner from here. The tooltip is from Bootstrap. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that too because we want to get rid of Bootstrap. So we don't need those anymore. And the banner should raise in there. Nice. So look for the navbar here. Dash new file banner slim, and then we take something from the alerts. If uh, uh, is missing user, I don't know, account incomplete, and let's say that account incomplete equals account dot I don't know, account, I don't know. Do I have a helper for that account? Attributes, Instagram. Let's say that incomplete is return true if bu blank, otherwise return false. And that's the same for WhatsApp, for the name, for the Cressy, for the what? The slug, for the avatar. Okay, that's enough. Count incomplete, so that we can remove that. And then current account incomplete. It's a question. Okay, let's run a message, and then we're gonna go to Flowbyte alerts. We're gonna pick the yellow one. So fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, and gonna copy this, and then the banner is gonna be banner. Um, oh fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this and do that. And nice. Let's check this. That's what I want. Warning alert. Opa. sua conta. Uh, what was there in the banner? Superfície guardada completo. Para completar a superfície, dirige sessão, editar conta. Atenção. Seu perfil está incompleto. Está completo. Para completá-lo, clique aqui. Seu perfil incompleto. Para completar seu perfil, dirija-se a profile. So we're going to bring the person to the account, edit account profile path. Just boom. Let me check what it looks like. It sucks. Link to damn, how does that work? Like this? Yes. Dirige-se a and that should show here too. Huh. This should show as a link. And so my Tailwind, this could be an A as well. Nice. That changed it here too. Cool. Now why not? Okay, it's much better. Then you click there. Ooh. Link to okay, and this should only show if you're not in the profile edit page. So dashboard unless raise current controller and action names. I need to use both. Okay, so I'm gonna say controller name equals profile and action name equals edit. So, oh, so it disappears in this page, but it shows in all of the other pages. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now we can remove the banner as well. Delete. And the banner itself had a dependency on use current account, which doesn't exist anymore. User current account had no dependency. Okay. These buttons disappeared. That's probably the realtor card. And the realtor card, React component, icon loader, WhatsApp. It's not a good idea. WhatsApp SVG. Actually, hero icons. WhatsApp. There's no WhatsApp. Um, fuck. Email and Instagram. So email is probably there. Okay. It doesn't look like an email, right? Letter. And Instagram. Brand, icons, SVG, WhatsApp. What is that? It's the caller. Wow, I like it. Why it doesn't work? It's weird that I need to put all of that, right? I don't know. Email. Hmm. Let's say I use this, so this is gonna disappear. But then I think I should probably apply something to SVGs on the Tailwind level, so it always works when I just copy and paste SVG, and I think um, there is the stroke, right? View, stroke, stroke, inherit, no, stroke, stroke width, stroke 1, stroke 0. Yeah, stroke 0 looks better, but um, I'm not sure that's actually working because let me just wait. I'm gonna close all of that account, and we're currently only working in the Realtor card, and so we want to get WhatsApp to the WhatsApp part. We want Instagram for the this part, and we want something like letter. Well, there's a lot of stuff. Email. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try this. And so SVG stroke 0. Would that do something? Probably not. With 1, it doesn't work either. And what did we have before that was working? Inside the user card, we had the React component, icon loader, icon WhatsApp. Where are the other SVGs that work? SVG. View current color, view box. No, that's not this. If we add this, and I think we need the view, right? I don't know. I'm gonna get another website. Oh man, it's so heavy. Oh my god, that's so much. I don't want all of this. But these are PNG. Man, it really sucks. Come on, really? Okay, I'm gonna have to make it work. Um, let's see, FBG not showing. Tell you when. Let's add this to stroke one, view black, stroke black as well. Just try all of that and boom. Okay, so nothing, and then No, it's not it. Okay, let me think. Property show here. What is this icon about? This icon is should show avatar link to slug. There's another one. So this is inside the property show. So if you go to, wow, okay, cannot find module banner. Refresh. Okay. Oh man, this is so bad. This looks ugly. So I don't want view black. I don't want stroke black. I don't want to say anything actually. And so this is an SVG. So when I go here, this, uh, which is in the navbar, shared. Hmm, Immobilier logo. Okay, it's there. And class, view, stroke, view box. Let's copy all of that into this. Oh, okay, so all we need is that. So I'm actually gonna change my, I'm gonna add it here, simple icon, class equals simple icon, mr1w, okay, okay, and then simple icon is gonna have a height of 6 and a width of 6. Wow. Damn. Simple icons org. Mm, let me try. I'm gonna try it. Okay, I don't want to have to think about it every time. So this should be good. Yeah, nice. Um, and the one in the middle, I'm gonna replace with an icon from Hero Icons, and it's gonna be something about email. I like that. So the one in the middle is gonna be that. Then it looks different than the others. Class stroke one, two. Really? Oh, I'm playing with the wrong one. Hmm. Can I change this to be stroke one with default actually? I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna add it here in the class because I don't want this to conflict with other stuff. So I'm just gonna keep them here. Fresh. Yes. Which means that if I remove that, it should disappear. Cool. It works. Um, yeah, let's accept it. And so icon loader is still used. Yeah, there's this WhatsApp thing here again. So I'm gonna keep this. Yes, and stroke white, fill white, and stroke 1, 0. Ah, height 6 and width 6. Height 5 and width 5. Perfect. Cool. Oh, this is what I should add every time. There are not so many params. So, okay, I didn't know how SVG works. So I have the stroke, I have the fill, and the stroke size, and then the height and the width. It's simple. So I'm just gonna copy all of that here into here and here and refresh. And of course, they disappeared because we want fill black. Okay, so I don't need to say the fill, which is cool. And this one in the middle, I can say that is 5 and 5. Can I increase it a little bit? Voila. So to increase, I can decrease. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna keep it like that. That's good. Um, oh man, that's probably because of that. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna remove that. That's good. This banner is inside layout, application, and you see that it's weird. It's going out because uh, so we have a container inside another container. Um, why do we have another container? So each one of the pages. What? Okay, rename. This is gonna be hero, home hero. That was confusing. I thought this was uh, this was a banner as well. Um, okay, so in this page it looks good, but in the properties page it looks bad. So property show has a container that we don't need. Nice. Okay, removed. And now we can probably go to the banner and remove the padding button, margin button 4. Nice. Let's add a margin button 3 though, as usual. And then we can remove, like here. So inside the property show page, we can remove the margin top, whatever it is. Where is that? I can see uh, where the hell is that link? Margin button 3. Nice. Wow. Okay, and then inside the banner, wow, that's a link. I think every link should. Ah, where the hell is that? Tailwind, Tailwind. I think every link should receive some proper formatting like this, but then this is undesirable, you see. So we need to make this stay white when you hover as well, because you see, because this is what I want. So maybe I can make it a specific for the button primary text white, hover, hover text white. It's annoying. Come on, and flow byte. What do we do for button? I'm gonna remove this for now. And I'm gonna say this has a class text link. And we should be good. Yeah, this all works. Nice. Remove, remove, remove. And so if I add everything, hello there, and save, wow, this should not be red. Close all alerts. Well, notice should be blue or green. Okay, nice, amazing. Now back to the home. We removed more stuff and still stuff to be removed. Oh my god. How can I remove most of the things from the banner? Application JS. I don't know, but I'm too tired. I'm just gonna stop it now. Let's launch the CI. Reuse test all. I should have launched it headless. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Let's make it headless. Reuse test all. Oh, it's been 2 hours already. Nothing works. Nossos consultores, I think that was the change. Expected not to find test. It hides the navbar in the footer. So we broke something here. If I go to her page, oh, that should be good. Launching everything again, but here we had one failure, one error. Let's see it all again. Properties test 43. It's the only failure. Why? I'm launching the test here. Oh, expected not. How how can that be? I think there's the link in the banner because Where the hell it says immobilier? What? Oh, the footer. I think we can get rid of all of that, right? And let the layout decide. So the layout saying it should be shown. And there you go. And the banner should have a margin top of 3 as well. Now we can relaunch all the tests. Whew. Ah, fuck. Uh, Relaunch the test without the binding provided. And if it passes, I'm pushing it all to production and calling it a day. I'm so tired. Yes. Nice. So what did we do in the last commit? We removed lots of stuff. This is not used, so we're gonna delete simple icons. Yeah. This was deleted. Wow, that's cool. Lots of deletion, incomplete, application, banner. Yeah, that's the color. It's the rename. That's the home here that I renamed. That's the property show page that gets simpler. That's okay. Um, Migrate more code to Tailwind. Whatever. Boom. Push to production. And that should improve our web dev metrics actually. If we go to Immobilier and pick a page, Azure, boom, run audit. Wow, that sucks. Uh, it complains about our application JS being too big. Yeah, plus the Google tags as well, but time to interactive, speed index, large. Hmm, definitely improve that. Well, let's see later what's after all of the improvements into our bundle. Let's see what it looks like. For now, that's all. Um, Continue another day. Peace.